Welcome to Jar Masala, and today we're going to be showing you how to make chicken 65 with our tandoori masala.
So I'm going to marinate our chicken. I have some boneless chicken here that I slice thinly like this because we're going to deep fry this. And then I'm going to add our tandoori masala. And you add the spice to your taste. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some garlic and ginger paste. And some lime juice. I'm going to add some plain yogurt. And some hot sauce. And this hot sauce is optional. If you want it to be spicy, you can add some hot sauce. I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm going to let it marinate overnight. Just put it in the refrigerator. So our chicken 65 is marinated, and right before I'm going to fry this, I'm going to add some cornstarch. So I'm going to mix this. So I have some canola oil.
Please subscribe to Jar Masala for more recipes using our masalas. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter at Jar Masala.